Wait, don't scroll. You can draw this beautiful earth in just 5 minutes. No experience needed. Just follow me step by step. Start with a simple circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Take your time. Go slow. Now, let's add the land. Draw a smooth curve like this. Then connect it down. Keep it simple, no need for details. Perfect. It already looks like Earth. Now, outline everything with a dark marker. This makes your drawing pop. Now, outline everything with a dark marker. This makes your drawing pop. Let's make it more creative. Draw a circle around the Earth. Now add small patterns around it, like dots and short lines. This gives a cool modern look. Now the fun part, coloring. Use blue for water. Fill slowly and evenly. Now use green for land. Take your time. This is the most satisfying part. Let's add final touches. Color the outer design. And just like that, your Earth is ready. See? Drawing is actually this easy. Anyone can do it. If you enjoyed this, take a moment and look at what you created today. You didn't need experience. You just needed to start. And that's how every drawing begins. One simple step at a time. If you want more simple, relaxing, step-by-step drawings, follow me and let's keep improving together. You can also try this again. Pause the video and practice slowly. Your next drawing will be even better. Let's draw together. See you in the next one.